Okay. The next part of the examination is the laryngeal examination. Sometimes the examiner says that examine the larynx. That's a tricky command. So the laryngeal examination includes inspection, palpation, as well as the indirect laryngoscopy examination. So we go for laryngeal examination. What we are going to do is, इधर देखिए आप ऊपर देखिए, we'll focus the light on the neck of the patient and look for any scar mark, look for any swelling, look for any pulsations or a mass or a swelling. गले में कहीं दर्द तो नहीं है आपको? Gently hold the thyroid cartilage or the Adam's apple. This is the laryngeal prominence or Adam's apple in between. You gently hold it in your thumb and in the index finger and gently move it sideways. There will be a gritty feeling in the patient. You will be having a gritty feeling at the larynx. This is called laryngeal crepitus. Normally the laryngeal crepitus is present. If the laryngeal crepitus is absent, then this means the patient is having some laryngeal pathology or some laryngeal mass behind the larynx. So in that case the laryngeal crepitus will be absent or it will be negative. This is the external part or external larynx examination. The other part of the laryngeal examination is done with the help of this mirror. This is called indirect laryngoscopy mirror or IDL mirror. Indirect laryngoscopy is one of the most commonly asked short case command in examination. So for the purpose of this indirect laryngoscopy mirror, you will be examination, you will be needing an indirect laryngoscopy mirror and you will be needing a gauze piece. This is a square gauze which I am going to use. These are sterile gauze pieces. You gently warm this indirect laryngoscopy mirror. The mirror side should be warmed so that misting is not there in the oral cavity. You ask the patient, sometimes when you warm this mirror, the patient gets apprehensive. What are you going to do? You are warming this mirror and then touching it. So to gain the patient's confidence, you can even ask the patient that ये इतना गर्म नहीं, ये आपके गले में से हम शीशा माना करेंगे, ठीक है, दर्द नहीं हो गया. So to gain the patient's confidence, you can even explain the patient that I am going to examine your larynx or I am going to examine your throat with the help of this mirror. मुंह में कहीं दर्द तो नहीं है आपको? मुंह खोलें बड़ा, शाबाश. You gently ask the patient to open the mouth. ज़ुबान बाहर निकालें. You hold the tongue with the help of this thumb and the index finger, thumb and the middle finger, and gently lift the upper lip with the help of the index finger. Insert your IDL mirror, indirect laryngoscopy mirror, and gently elevate the uvula. And at the same time you ask the patient, you command the patient to quietly breathe through the mouth. मुंह से लंबे लंबे सांस लें, लंबे लंबे सांस लें, शाबाश, लंबे लंबे सांस लें. बोले ई ई ई, and then you remove. You hold only the tip of the tongue. Do not pull it forcefully. Patient might feel pain. In indirect laryngoscopy mirror, two commands are mandatory. That is quiet oral deep breathing. When the patient is asked to quietly breathe through the mouth, there is abduction of the vocal cords. Okay, and when the patient is asked to say E, the E, it means there is adduction of the vocal cords. E is produced by adduction of the vocal cords. The vocal cords, they are adducted. So you will be able to see the larynx, you will be able to see the epiglottis, you will be able to see the ventricle. You will not be able to see the ventricle, you will be able to see the piriform fossa, you will be able to see the false cords, the true vocal cords, the vallecula. And the question in this examination is what structures you will not be able to see on the indirect laryngoscopy. In other words, what are the hidden areas of the larynx? So this is an important question. The hidden areas of the larynx, there are 4 hidden areas of the larynx. The number 1 is the anterior commissure, number 2 is the ventricle of the larynx, number 3 is the subglottic area or subglottis of the larynx, and number 4 is the infrahyoid part of the epiglottis, which is the infrahyoid part which is not seen on the indirect laryngoscopy mirror examination. So these 2 commands are mandatory. Do not use this tongue depressor while doing indirect laryngoscopy. Use this gauze piece mirror examination. Again, at the end of the laryngeal examination, you are supposed to perform the lymph node examination of the neck to complete the neck examination.